Good morning students, welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed controlling, meaning and definition of controlling and importance of controlling. Last class we discussed. Now we are going to discuss of limitation. Before discussing a limitation, we have to know the meaning. What do you mean by controlling? Controlling means it is an activities, means make sure the activities of an organization performed as per the plan is called as controlling. Controlling means make sure the activities of an organization performed as per the plan. They are going to perform the activities as per the plan. What they will plan is based on that they are going to control in that organization. They will, based on the rules, based on the regulations, they are going to give the action. They are going to control the employees in the organization. Okay, controlling means ensuring the activities in an organization perform as per the plan is called as controlling. Controlling means ensuring. Ensuring means make sure, compulsory the activities performed based on the plan or as per the plan. They are going to do the activities here. Make sure. Okay, make sure the activities of an organization performed as per the plan. What they will plan is based on that they are going to control in the organization. They will not follow your plan. They should not do like that. Means based on the plan they have to do here. Means they will not control with their own ideas. They should not control like that. What they are giving plan is based on that they have to do the activities here. They should not do independently. They should not do freedomly here. What the plan is there, based on that they have to implement plan in that organization. They should not take own decision here. They don't have right to take the own decision and own way to control in the organization. Based on the plan they have to run the organization. They have to control based on the plan. Okay, this is meaning of the controlling. Okay, what are the importance of the controlling? What we learned means we learned how to use the effective resources. Motivation, how it is motivation, and how it is help to ensuring the discipline and ordering and coordination. If they will control means what are the importance they will get here. What are the importance means motivation they will get, means resource, how to use the effective resources also they will get, how to accomplish the organizational goals, how to achieve the organizational goals. We learned last class. Okay, now we are going to learn. Okay, let us understand the limitation of controlling. Okay, limitation. If you will control means what will happen? Everyday controlling means what will happen? The employees will not work effectively. They will use the interest here. Okay, we will see what are the limitations or demerits of controlling. quantitative standards. Quantitative standards. And second one is little control, and third one is resistance from employees, and fourth one it is costly affairs. Costly affairs. This is limitations of controlling. Okay, this is the limitations of controlling. Let us understand now one by one here. Okay, difficulty in setting the quantitative standards. Difficulty in setting the quantitative standards means here, if they want to set quantitative standards means compulsory they will use the effectiveness in the organization. Compulsory they will use here effectiveness of the organization. They will not work effectively here. If you will maintain in the standard in the organization, they will lose the effectiveness of the work. Why they are losing effectiveness means always we are controlling, always we are giving the rules, always we will give the restrictions means that time the employees will not ready to do the work effectively. They will not work interestingly. That is the main reason we should not control more here. We should not maintain and setting the quantitative structure. It is very difficult. Why it is difficult means if we will lose effectiveness in the organization, automatically the production also will low. When the production is low means marketing also will low. When it is a marketing also will low means automatically profit also will go down. We will get losses. When we will get losses, automatically good reputation and name of the company automatically will fall down. That is the main reason we should not control more in the organization. If we will control means at that time the organization will lose the effectiveness of the work. They will lose here. Okay, they will lose what? They will lose here effectiveness. We have to give freedom to employees. If we will give freedom means they will share the problems. We are getting this much problems we are getting. Please solve these problems. If you will give freedom means. If you will not give freedom means they will not share anything. They are talking with their own friends, and they will do some politics in the groupisms. They will do at the time problems arises more in the organization. So that is the main reason we have to give some freedom to employees. When we will give means at the time we can achieve the organization goals easily. If we will not give means at the time we have to lose the effectiveness in the organization. Even when we will lose the effectiveness means when the standard cannot be defined quantitative terms. Okay, when the standard cannot be defined means certain places we have to use standard. If we will use in every time standard dignity, if we will maintain means at the time we have to reduce and we have to cut the connected between the employees and management. Okay, even the company will lose here employees morals. Employee moral also they will lose. Job satisfaction also they will lose here, and even they will lose human behavior also. What they are lose means here with the controlling system, the good control, more controlling system if it is there in our company means what we will lose means here we will lose employee moral, and employee moral values they will lose, and job satisfaction also they will not get. When they will not get job satisfaction satisfaction means they will leave that organization. At the time, the company will get the losses means good efforts they can lose here. Okay, and good effort, and they will lose the more employees also. They will join in another company also. Yes, when they will join another company means the company will get losses here. Even they have to recruit the new person. That time also they will get the more expenses here. Okay, and behavior, employee behavior, employee moral values, job satisfaction, they will lose. When means when it is strict controlling system is there in our company means automatically the employees mind also will diverted, they will converted. Even they will all employees mind should be money minded, it will be converted to the money minded. They will lose the employee morals. Even they will forget what is the moral values. We have to help to others. They will lose that moral values. Job satisfaction. Even they will not get job satisfaction. Only they will work for money here. If they will not give money means at the time we will leave the organization. Like that they will convert. Okay. And employee behavior. Employee behavior means even they will change. Automatically the employee's mind also it should be converted to the money minded peoples. When they will convert into the money minded peoples means at the time it is very difficult to survive in that organization. That is the main reason we have to control for certain cases. We should not control more time here. Okay. At the time what we will use means here setting the quantitative standard, it is very difficult here. That is the main reason we should not control more here. We have to control in certain cases. We have to control. We have to give freedom to employees. When we will give the freedom to employees means they will work freely. This is our organization. We have to give some benefits to organization. We have to work more. At the time they will give more incentives, they will give more bonus salary, everything they will provide. If we will not work effectively means at the time they will not provide anything. Like that they will think they will work effectively in the organization. So that is the main reason here they should not control more here. If they will control more here means that time what will happen means difficulty in setting the quantitative standards means they will not work, they will work for simply, they will not produce quality products here. Neglectly they will working in the organization. We should not create that environment in the organization. So we have to give comfort environment to the employees. When we will give the comfort environment means at the time they will work effectively and efficiently in the organization. We will get the more paid. Okay. If they will control more means at the time we will lose effectiveness and employee moral values, job satisfaction and employee behavior also it will change. At the time we can't run the business easily. It is very difficult. Okay. Okay, next what is little control? Yes, the organization can control internal factors, but they can't control external factors. Let us understand what are the internal factors and what are the external factors. The company, the organization can control the internal factors. Internal factors. They can control the internal factors. Internal factors means marketing, purchasing, sale and finance department, HR department, marketing department. This is internal factors. See here, marketing, purchasing, finance department, HR department, marketing department, finance department, HR department, marketing department, divisional department, and production department. See here, they can control the marketing within the organization. What are the activities will happen means that should be internal factors. Internal factors means within the organization. What are the activities? What we will call that activities? Internal factors within the organization. Activities we will call internal factors. Okay, marketing, purchasing, finance department we can control, HR department we can control, marketing department we can control, production department we can control, we can modify, and we can improve, and we otherwise we can do any new changes in the organization. But we can't control the external factors. We should not control. We can't control the external factors. What are the external factors? Means what are the external factors? Means here it is government. We can't control. Is there no? Yes, we should not control the government. Government rules, policies. Rules and policies. Government rules and policies. And modern technology. Competition. Modern technology. Competition. We should not control these are all factors. This government. If government will pass any rules, any regulations means all companies they have to follow these are all rules. The Company Act means the Company Act will pass the rules or regulations. Example, the government will, if it is any situations is an example, Corona pandemic. Corona pandemic situations, the government will do whatever they want, they can do. If tomorrow also they can lock down. If they will pass that, even they will pass that means lockdown. If they will pass means the company must and should they have to follow here. They should not oppose here. Okay, that is internal factors we should not control here. Means rules and regulations, rules of policies, so even we can't control. What is rules? They will tell means based on that we have to work here. And modern technology. In every year the technology will change. Every 2 years, every 3 years we have to change technology in our organization. If we will change means we will produce the goods and services, modern products that we can produce. Quality products we will produce. Otherwise we can't produce, and old products only if we will produce means we will not get marketing. Means customers will not purchase old products. Always the customers will give the preference to new trendy products they will choosing nowadays. If they will purchase, if they will producing old product only means at that time the customers will not purchasing that old products. They will purchase only new trendy products only. They will purchase here. They will not purchase their old products. Okay, that is the main reason. External modern technology we can't change. Competition, yes, we can't change the competition. If the company, example, XYZ company will produce with new technology, with modern technology, if they will produce one product means ABC company will provide with other than more that they will purchase, other than more that they will produce the goods and services. Example, car means in this year they will produce with technology, some technology. We will see phones. Example, if we will see phone means Redmi, Vivo. Means in Redmi, if it is their triple camera means Vivo also will produce triple and four cameras video, four cameras mobile they will produce. If the Redmi, if it is four cameras mobile will produce means they will produce five cameras mobile. Like that competition is there. We should not control. These are all activities. Means Redmi phone, Vivo phone, they will have more competition. Even see in SIMs also. In Airtel SIM, in other SIM, Jio SIM, means they will give offers with more competition. If they will give the 365 days for 365 days they will give means here they will give for we are giving more than that means 1 GB they are giving means they will give 1.5 GB per day. We are giving more. At that time the customers will take which is better means they will choose that one. Like that they will profit gaining in the society. Okay, competition, modern technology, rules, policies, government, this is the external factors we should not control here. Competition means example I told means example we will take Jio 8 means they have more competition here means if they will give 1 GB per day means if they will give 1.5 GB. If they will give 2.2 GB means they will give 2.5 GB. Like that they have competition. We should not control that competition. We have to compete. We should not control here. Okay? And modern technology. And we have to change in every year. If we will not change means we should not provide the quality products in the organization. Okay? If you will provide quality products with low price only, the customers will purchase. Otherwise, they will not purchase here. Okay? Mind it this one. And rules and policies. Rules and policies, the government if they will play means compulsory we have to follow the rules. If the government will tell means we have to apply we have to follow this rules and regulations. Okay? And see, resistancy from the employee. Resistancy means what it is? Opposing in organization. What they will oppose means compulsory if the organization will do more controlling system in the organization. Example, I told last class only CCTV or CC cameras if they will fit every corner of the organization. If they will install in every corner of the organization means at that time the employees will not get interested to the work. They will hesitate. They will not do the interested. They will not do work interestedly. That is the main reason the employees will oppose. No need to install here CCTVs. We have to work freedomly here. When we will work freedomly at the time, we will give more profit. Otherwise, we should not work here. They are opposing. Why they are opposing means they want freedom to work there. But management want to observe the work. Means they have to control the employees. That is the main thought for the management. That's why they will install the CC cameras in every corner of the organization. But employees will oppose. If we will install means we are not ready to work here. We are not interested to work here. So please remove that CCTV cameras. Please uninstall. If we will uninstall means we will work freely. When we will give freedom to work means at that time we will work effectively in the organization. So like that they will tell. That is the main reason we should not control more here. We have to give freedom to employees. At the time they will work effectively. Okay. And next it is costly affairs. Costly affairs means example CCTV or CC cameras. If the company want to install the CC cameras every corner of the organization means it should be more expensive, very costly. Okay, it lags together. It will take, if you want to install CC cameras every corner in the organization means they have to spend lakhs year. Means it is only suitable for the large enterprises. It is only suitable for the large enterprises. It is not suitable for small enterprises. It will not suitable for the small enterprises. It will not suitable. It is not. It is not suitable for small enterprises. It is not suitable for the enterprises. It should be suitable for the only large industries. They have so much of money they can install. But small industries, they don't have that much money. That's why it is not suitable for the small industries. Only suitable for the large industries it should be. Okay. This is the limitations of controlling. Okay. This is the limitations of the controlling. See here, difficulty in setting the quantitative standards. Yes, when we are giving more controlling system in the organization means that time this may be happened. Means what that means, they can lose the moral values, they can lose the job satisfaction, they will lose the human behavior. At that time it is difficult to setting the qualitative standards. That is the main reason we have to control. In certain cases we should not control in overall, we have to control in certain. Okay. And see here, little control means they can control in external factors only. They can't control the external factors, they can control the internal factors. They can control it. They can't control here. They can't control the government rules, modern technology and competition. They can't control it. They can control in within the organization. They can control here. Means resistance means opposing the employees. When organization will opposing, when the employees will opposing in the organization means at the time they are giving more restrictions and more controlling system. At the time automatically the employees will opposing here. Example, installing the CC cameras. If they will install means at the time they will oppose. Why we want this CCTV cameras? We are working already effectively. No need, we are doing well. They are opposing. Costly means if we want to install the CC cameras in every corner of the organization means it is only suitable for the large industries. It is not suitable for the small industries. This is the limitations of controlling. Next we will see relationship between the planning and controlling. Planning means it is first function. Controlling means this is last function. How it should be relationship between, we will understand now. Next class we will understand the relationship between the planning and control. Okay, we are already discussed limitations of the controlling, meaning of the controlling, and importance of the controlling we discussed. Next class we will see relationship between the planning and controlling. Thank you students for listening this session.